add end screen over here. Now the end screen promotes related content at the end of your video or YouTube video. End screens and the cards the best way. This is how you're going to do it. So in this one, I'm uploading the video. So when you finish uploading or just getting your video to show on the upload stage, the next thing over here, as you can see, we have some options over here. Okay, these are the stages you pass through whenever you are uploading a video. So I've finished the first one. Okay, that's where the details are, and then you go to the next one. That is where we have the video element. That is exactly where we're going to set the end screens and the cards and all that. Okay, the checks is where it checks for copyright stuff and all that, but it has actually finished checking. There's no copyright on this particular video, no issues found. And then we go to the visibility, but for the sake of this tutorial, let us get straight to the video elements over here. Good. So what we get here, the next we're going to check is the add end screen over here. Now the end screen promotes related content at the end of your video. So when you're watching a video, you see that at the end of the video there'll be some screens that will show some boxes over there. About sometimes you see 4 boxes, sometimes 3. It depends on how you want to set yours. Okay, and that is exactly what I'm going to take you through to know how to set that. Then we shall also talk about the cards. That is the add cards over here. The card also promote related content during your video. That is the only difference. So the difference is that the end screen shows at the end of the video. The cards also show within the video. So sometimes when you're watching the video, you see that there will be a certain topic that will pop up on top over there. Yes, so that is what we call the add or that's the cards. Okay, so first of all, let's start with the end screen. So when you want to add the end screen, you click on add over here, and it will open the next page for you. Now you see you are going to add the end screen, and YouTube itself has given you samples. Okay, this is the first one. Actually, you can do it manually. Let's get down here. When we scroll down here, you see that there's the manual thing over here. This video is 11 minutes 38 seconds. Okay, around that time, and then 17 milliseconds. Okay, so now what it means is that you have from the start of the video till the end of the video over here at this side. Okay, so wherever you want to place the end screen manually, you can do so. But you see this one, it has started from the last few seconds to the finishing section of the video. That is why you see 11 minutes 20 seconds. Okay, as you can see over here, 11 minutes 20 seconds, and then 11 minutes 25, 30, 35 to the 38 to the finishing of the video. Okay, so assuming you want to set it over here, that is over here 11 minutes 19 seconds 29 milliseconds, then you place this line. I hope you see the line that is rolling as I keep rolling it. Okay, so this one, okay, you place it there. So wherever you place that line, that is exactly where the end screen will show. So at the 11th minute, let's check the time. At the 11th minute 29 11 minutes 90 seconds, then you press on the plus sign here. I hope you've seen the plus sign. I'm coming. Good. So you press on the plus sign here. You see this plus sign, you press on that. So are you going to show a video, playlist, subscribe button, or a channel? Okay, so assuming you want to show a video at the end of the video that the person is going to watch, okay, then you click on video. That is the first one. All right, so you have selected video. So this video will show at where you have actually placed it, where you want it to show. That is exactly where it will show. Okay, so now let's select the title. This video is showing most recent upload. Let's get down here or top over here, as because these are where we change the details. So the video has actually automatically captured this one, most recent upload. This one is automatically the feature, the most recently uploaded a long form video. Okay, and that is what you see over here. That is what you see over here. That is it over here with the blue background. That is it over here. As you can see, you can place it at anywhere, either at the right side or at the left side or down here or the other side, or even in the middle. You can place it in the middle over here. Okay, so let's assume we want to place it over here. Good. Or you can also change it. You can use it best for viewer. So this allows YouTube to select a video from your channel to best suit the viewer. You see, you want to select best for viewer, this one. Okay, you can select that one, and then you see it has changed over here. As you can see, let's see over here with the blue background, it has changed. Or you can choose a specific video. So let's select this one, and then we choose a specific. See, when we click on choose specific video, it opens this page for you to select a particular video from your channel. So search your videos, or you can also search videos from other people's channels. So assuming you want to promote your other, maybe you have two channels, you want to promote the other channel. Okay, you can search for videos on that particular channel over here, and then you show it on this your current channel. Or you can use this one to search for videos on your own channel over here at this section. Okay, so these videos showing over here are the ones on my channel. So assuming you want to use this one, okay, go to YouTube Studio, turn this off now. All right, so the next thing is I click on that. Let me click on that. Good. So you see that it has shown over here. Let me scroll top for you to see well. Let me scroll top. It has shown over here. You see, that is what I selected. As you can see clearly, it is showing over here. So you place it at where you want to place it. So when you select it this way, the thumbnail will actually be showing on that. So that's exactly how to set the end screen. So you are finished with the first one. Let's get down once more, and then let's assume you want to place the next one at the 11th minute 25. You see there's a time on that on top over there with the white background. I hope you can see that. Good. So 11 minutes 25 seconds. When that line is here, you press on the plus sign, and then you can also add another video or a playlist. Let's add a playlist. Good. So now these are the playlists currently on my channel. These are the playlists. We have YouTube Studio hacks, get more subscribers, how to monetize your channel, master YouTube growth and content creation. Let's assuming I'm selecting let's say how to monetize your channel, this one. Okay, so now when you press on that, it will show clearly over there. That is it, and this is showing over here, as you can see. Yes, that is exactly the one showing over here. You see, I'm rolling it over there. So assuming you want to use only these two, that is it, you are done. Okay, then you press on save. As you can see, the save button or the save tab over here. So that is exactly how to set that. So now after we have finished testing the manual one, let us try use the YouTube actually automated feature, the one they've actually made for you. So we can delete it by using this tab. Let's delete the ones you've done. Okay, so now these are the YouTube ones they've done for you. They first of all made the we're having the 3 boxes. Okay, then let's press on that. You see they are showing over here. The first one is best for viewer, the second one is video, that is the most recent upload. The next one is watch me apply for YouTube monetization. That is it over here, as you can see. So you can change this one, and this one is the only thing that we can change. So you can press on the pen thing over there, and then you can change it to any of these videos. Assuming I want to change it to let's say they actually selected this one, but let's change it to let's say YouTube Studio. Okay, perfect niche. Okay, you see the perfect niche thing is over there. That is it. As you can see the title over here, struggling to find your YouTube niche, pick the perfect niche today. Okay, so that is exactly how to change that one. So I am sure you have actually been okay with that one. You can also, let's delete this one and try with the other one too. Okay, actually they have 1 2 3 4 5 6 types, 6 formats. Okay, so the first one is having import from a latest video. The second one, this one, is having 1 video 1 subscribe button. Let's try this one and see. You see they are showing now. As you can see, this is the 1 video showing over here, and there's the subscribe one showing over there. Okay, let's delete this one too and see how the other one also show. Okay, these ones, they subscribe. The only difference is that the playlist, there's a playlist over here. Okay, with this one you need to select the playlist, as they've given you space here. Select the playlist you wanted to show, and then the subscribe is also here. Okay, good. Okay, so that is it. And then let's try with the last one. This one is having 2, but they are big, as you can see. Best for viewer, and then most recent upload. Let's delete this one too. So all these are showing you how to do that, how to set your end screens, and then we have this format too and the other format. So I have taken time to take you through how to manually do it down here. We do the manual ones down here. as you can see clearly over here. That is where we do the manual one, and then on top over here is the YouTube settings that they have actually done for you. It's automated. You can either change them. Okay, so that is it. Now that we are done with, so as I'm actually uploading this particular video, it's just a live thing I'm doing right now, so I want to go with the three. But you see, one thing about this end screen is that make sure it is shown boldly on the screen so that people can actually see it. So for the sake of that, let me select the one with the two. This one is going to help a lot. You see, they are big and they show on the screen big ones. So these are these two. Okay, yes. So you see, when it overlapped, you see what is written over here: end screen elements cannot overlap or be too close together on the video. Please adjust the element spacing. Good. So maybe you can face this challenge. That's why I actually did this one for you. So let's separate them like this. Good. You see, it has actually left it at this section. So end screen elements won't display on the watch page for private videos. It's only for public videos. Okay, so I've said these ones. The first one is best for viewer, and then most recent upload. So after the person finished watching this particular video, YouTube will search for a video that is best for that viewer per the videos the person has been watching. And the next one, this one, is that most recent upload. That is the last upload you made before this particular video you are making. Okay, so I'm done with the end screen, so let me click on save over here. So I am saving it. Good. So you see, it has ticked green that I'm done with the end screen. So that's exactly how to set your end screen the best way to get more views, more watch hours, and more subscribers. Okay, when you do it this way, immediately the person finished watching this particular video, YouTube will show those videos on the screen so that the person will click on that those boxes to watch the videos on them, and it will continuously be showing on all the videos. That's why it's very important to set your end screens on all your videos so that it keeps your viewers and your audience engaged, always watching your videos one after the other. Now let's move straight away to the add cards section over there. Okay, so let's press on add, and then over here too, it is giving you the full for the ads. You can show it even from the start of the video. That's why you're seeing from the 0 minutes, the first minutes, even to the final minutes, as you can see clearly over here. So that is it, and that's exactly what we are going to do now. Okay, so the first thing we are going to do here is that let us select the where we want to place the cards. Okay, so assuming we want to place the first cards in the 6 minutes. Okay, then we press on plus, and then we select a video. Assuming we want to select a video or a playlist, depends on you, and then we wait patiently for it to open, and then we select on that. Okay, so let's say this video. Okay, this video, let's click on that. Good. So the video is showing. Let's check top here. The video is showing over here. You see, it is showing here. These are the details of the video. Okay, so when you are watching the video, when it gets to the 6 minutes, it will pop up on top over there. So that's it. We are done with the first one. Let's move on to the second one. Actually, you are to set for only 5 times. Okay, the 9th minute. Let's select any video. Let me do this one quickly. My channel got monetized. Okay, let's use this one. So let's press on that. Cool. So we have set 2. These are with the white stuff on top over here. Let's get to, let's say, the 10th minute 48 seconds. Let's select a different video. Okay, let's select, let's say, breaking news YouTube AI feature. Okay, let's select this one. Let's select it. We are done with 3 now. Let's exhaust them all. Let's see, on the 4th minute 17 seconds, let's add the last one. Let's add the last one. Any of the videos, you can select any of the videos. Okay, this is what's preventing your, we turn on this. Let's use this one. Good. So we are done. Okay, actually I think you can even add 5. Yeah, okay, there's still more chances, but I prefer selecting only 4. So this is also how you can select your cards, how you set your card the best way to get more views, more watch hours, and more subscribers for your channel to keep on growing. Okay, so as people continue to watch your video, these videos will pop up on top over there, so that your viewers can actually watch it. One interesting thing about this one is that you see sometimes when people are watching the video, okay, so it will show like this. Let me show you this one. This is what prevents your video on top over there. As you can see, this is it. This is how it will show when someone is watching the video. Okay, great. So that is it. Maybe you've seen that before, and I'm sure you know what I'm talking about over here. One thing is that when someone is watching the video and maybe they are not finding interest in the video anymore, or they are losing interest in the video, and at the beginning you see these topics on top over there, these titles, and maybe it catches their attention, they will click on this one to watch. You understand? They will click on that one to watch. Therefore, it will help you for those people not to leave your channel totally, but they will get something to replace the video they are not having interest in now. I'm sure you understand what I mean. Okay, so that is exactly how it works, and that is the reason you need to set your cards always in your videos. You understand? Oh yes, if you're having a very interesting video, fine, you can still do it, but hey, you would need to wait for a certain number of minutes before you do that. Okay, so that is exactly how it works, and that's exactly how to set your cards and your end screens the best way, so you can get your video going viral. You can get your audience and your viewers watching your videos continuously, one after the other, so it helps you to get more views, more subscribers, and more watch hours. If you have found value in this particular video, as usual, please do what to subscribe to my channel right now. Okay, if you have not done so, if you have done that, thank you very much. Okay, God bless you so much, and please do well to like this video, and let us come together and share this video so that it blesses and helps other people, because it seems a lot of people are not even aware of all these. Okay, it helps a lot. It helps you get more watch hours, more views. Oh yes, so this is how to set the end screens and the cards in your YouTube studio. All right, so that is it, and thank you very much. Please, if you subscribe, do well to turn on the notification bell. It's very important, so that whenever there's a video, you be the first person to get it and watch it and apply it, so you can also grow your YouTube channel. Thank you very much. And hey, let me remind you once again, are you a student or a teacher or any professional and you are in need of scholarship, right, in the top countries like UK, America, Australia, Germany, or any other top countries across the globe? There's this link at the description section. Check it out right now. Follow the link, and then you get a whole lot of job opportunities and scholarship opportunities. They are fully funded ones for you across the globe. Follow that, and hey, you will get hooked up with these universities across the top countries in the world. So thank you very, very much for actually having time over here, and I'm sure this one is going to be helpful to you. So thank you. See you next time in the next video. But hey, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Be part of me, be part of this family, and I'm grateful having you over here. Let me know at the comment section, where are you watching this particular video from? In which country are you watching from? Let me know at the comment section. And hey, have you also tried setting the end screen before? Did you do it this way? How did you do that? Let's know. Let's get collaborative. Let's get interactive at the comment section right now. Thank you, and do have a wonderful time.